Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we learn how to make user form in Excel with the help of VBA Coding. So let's start now. Before start, we show you little bit rehearsal. So close now. Excel file has been open now. Window R, Excel file open. Blank file. Alt F11. Go to Developer tab. Insert here, user form, draw here, to label, control and drop down, to text box, control, shift press and one command button. Both text box select, right click, align, right side, and two labels select, align, right side. So first label, username, and second label, change caption, password, user form 1, login form, and button caption, login. Double press button for coding. If text box 1 dot text equal to double quote capital Rana, or text box 2 dot text equal to double quote Shehzad, then first condition fulfill, application dot visible equal to true, unload me, otherwise text box 1 dot 1 equals double quote, copy, paste to message box, double quote, please contact to administrator, and else, and if. So play this program. User form here, R capital, and I share this is my name, login. Okay, so everything is okay now. For finish time we need to type here else missing now. Again go to this workbook and activate. Under activate command type here application dot visible equal to false, user form 1 dot show, this user form name, and save now this program. Desktop, change save time, micro enable, type here form login, close this program and double click now to check our program accuracy. So I humbly request to you, if you are new here, like video, subscribe channel, bell icon button for more updates, and last give us your valuable feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.